For those who got a Nissan Titan, I'm fixing to school y'all real quick. Don't take your shit to the dealership because they will try to, you know what I'm saying, uh, overcharge you. So, I'm finna give y'all a minute tutorial on how to do this. Now, I went to the dealership yesterday and I told them my problem. I said, look, man, my shifter cable broke. Blase, blase, blase. Parked in the yard last night. Threw it in park. Got out the truck. Truck went rolling. Almost hit my grandmama new car. I ain't had an ass whooping in years. I don't want one now. So, I'm finna show y'all a little something real quick. Now, I did all this. Started blowing. Check this out. Now, the shifter cable on the transmission is about right there. You see it right there. I went to moving it up and down yesterday, trying to figure out what's going on and how to break. The man at the dealership told me to change the whole thing. Nah, you ain't gotta do all that. Nah. All right. Whew, boy. Now, thank God good. God has gave me the knowledge and the know-how. And I've been on YouTube all day yesterday trying to find a tutorial video on how to do this thing. And I took the dash apart. What the fuck does that come from? Fucking flying rodents and shit. I live over here by the creeks and shit, so they fly. Anyway. Check this out. This is the piece right here that broke. This control your gear shifter. This little thing right here is what broke off of it. You see this? This is your shifter cable. I'm gonna show y'all something else. This is the new part. You don't need all that. This is what you need. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this off there. So y'all hang on tight and I'm gonna show y'all something. Alright, I took it off. This is the new little grommet piece that you're gonna need. Ain't that something? I'll show you what I did. All you need is something real small to wedge that thing on out of there. You see? Maybe like a flathead, something real small like an ice pick or something. And get it on out of there. I'm showing y'all this video because y'all gonna save y'all a whole bunch of money, a whole bunch of time. Average time to fix this piece, I don't know. Depends on what you know how to do as far as your mechanic skills. Give or take 15, 30 minutes to an hour. It all depends. You know what I'm saying? No more than an hour. If it's more than an hour, then you're really taking your time, and that's good. You're taking your time. But, yeah, God is good. So, I'm going to show y'all what it's going to look like here in a second, and we're going to roll it off here. Now, keep in mind, I can crank the truck up. I had threw it in park. So, it's in park now, according to the shifter, because it wouldn't come out of gear. So, if you're having problems as far as taking it out of gear, if it's stuck in park and the gear shifter just moving on its own, real loose like, then all you got to do is pretty much just, you know what I'm saying, do this. this is your problem. And it breaks a lot more common than you think. So, hang on. I'm fixing the screw job real quick. Alright. I took this little piece off. I really didn't have to, but I took it off anyway. And I just installed the part on there. So, put it on there so. But remember, you gotta take this off. This old piece. So, fixing to jump on this right now. So, y'all give me a second and I'm fixing to do that. Alright. Piece is installed. As you can see, I have installed the piece. This joker right here is a pain. It ain't hard. So, anybody can do it. But you better know what you're doing when you do it. So we finna give it a test real quick. Let's give it a try. Boom. Boom. Neutral. Boom. Drive.
I come fast in a hurry. She gon' slow when she slurping.
Manual mode. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4. Neutral. Reverse.
My whole cue not surgeon. I keep buying these purses. Meat rugging is purging. I work on that little pussy just like a surgeon.
Remember to take your foot off them burgers.
You the one that's in my tongue when I'm with you. I'ma really buy you things that I could do. I'ma treat it like a real man supposed to. Buy you diamonds with the matching rapping too. Give her riding, but you know she riding too. She gon' ride it like a Kawasaki woo. If you don't know her, but I walk her like you do. Yeah, yeah.
Like, subscribe, and thank you. I hope this helped all the Titan drivers out there. And, bless them.